Assalamu alaikum and good morning, Dubai. How are you, Dubai? I hope all is well. Last 2-3 days is too much good raining, so maybe today also is raining, but weather is very nice, is very hot. I go now in my work. I start the duty. From the morning, I coming from Sharjah to Khurfakan. No, I go Kalba. So how about you guys? How is enjoying the work? How is enjoying the raining? How about you? I check my video, not too much views is coming, not too much comments, not share anybody's. I don't know why. Maybe I'm 4%, then I not give me likes, not watch my video. But inshallah one day is coming, you watch my video, you follow me, you subscribe my channel, everything inshallah. So guys, go everything is good from all peoples, and do everything is good from all peoples. You know, this is our life. So you do something from another people good, come back for you, everything is good. So you do something in bad from another people, so come back from you also in bad. So this is better, you go, everything is good. You know, you help some peoples, not only help in the money, help too much things. So ask somebody any question, you give answer good. This also is help, not only money is help. So this is only today's message. Do everything from everybody, help. Okay, Dubai, see you tomorrow inshallah. Bye bye, wassalam.